Good afternoon and welcome back. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here in Irvine, California. And I'm in a La Quinta Inn. I tend to stay at these because I'm a Wyndham's member or whatever. And Edgar and I like to stay at these because they are pet friendly.
When you're living in a van down by the river!
He's got a new toy. It's a little Gumby that I got at this place called Eddie World in Irvine, California on the way over here. And yes, I'm a regular. Anyways, so this place is different. It's unique. The walls are concrete. I've never seen a hotel like this before. I don't know if it was converted into something else. Maybe I'll do a little research and insert it here. If not, I have no idea why this place looks very industrial. As you can see, plain gray walls. And I assume this is where the rebar was placed and reinforced, and those are the holes that are plugged, because you can see them kind of all over the place there. It's very different, very unique. Pretty good deal. Most nights are around $100 or so. That's about what I paid for this. It's actually a little bit more, but I use my rewards or whatever. So it's good to be a Wyndham's reward member. And this is not a plug. I'm not sponsored, but it's nice to have those perks. Let's check out the room. And if you're new to my channel, do me a favor and subscribe down below and give this video a nice like and thumbs up. Hey, thanks. So this here is the upgraded King Suite room. I don't know if it's really upgraded. I mean, it does the job. It has a desk and a chair, which is kind of cool. I was expecting a full-size fridge, but it's a mini fridge. And that'll do the job there. The tiniest microwave of them all. And this has a whole whopping microwave output 700. So it's gonna take a long time to heat up your food. So over here we have our HVAC unit for the temperature control. Let's put a little light on this. Okay, that's a little better. The wall sconces here, a bit outdated. King size bed, it does a job. Very typical of the La Quinta type of hotel rooms there. The headboard, a little older style. Looks to be about a 32-inch TV, not the greatest, not the biggest. Little view of the parking lot, not the cleanest windows either. But I don't see any dirt without a black light. I don't see any mystery stains, thankfully. Older telephone, and those old alarm clocks that I'm used to, that's pretty cool. And that there is the temperature control thermostat for the HVAC unit. Old tile, and oh, I'm missing something here. I've got shampoo, conditioner, but no body wash. We are out of body wash. Not the greatest in the tub. That is just kind of a pad, anti-slip pad. A little discolored, as you can see. Not the greatest. First impressions, at least the toilet paper has that little classic touch on there that I like.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Fairly clean, not the greatest again. Does the job. It's weird, you have your sink and a coffee maker right next to the sink. I get it. Lotion, the little closet area, hair dryer, ironing board, iron, full length mirror, check yourself out at, luggage rack, dog. So there we go, my friends. A little bit of artwork on the walls, makeshift tapestry if you want to call it. Okay. I don't know, what would you rate this room?
This is fine.
Think I'll go home now.
No! No!
Oh, look at that up there too. Mystery stains. All right, yeah, again, not the greatest room. It does the job. It's about $100 a night. Currently staying here for work, of course. Right outside is the Interstate 5 freeway, literally right there. So it's in good proximity to everything that you need here in South Orange County. So with that said, that's gonna wrap up my quick video here of the La Quinta Inn here at the Irvine Spectrum, if you wanna call it. It's right off of Sand Canyon and the 5 freeway. It's off of a Burt Road. So again, if you like this video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye, everybody. Okay, and that's the pool area over there. No jacuzzi, but it's got a decent sized pool. But this is actually a historical building. That's why it looks like this. It was the Irvine Warehouse Company, beans, grains, and rolled barley. And it was a processing center and storage. Historical, pretty cool. Apparently that's what it used to look like. These railroad cars for bulk beans. And of course, that's what the farms around here used to look like. Right off of Sand Canyon, this main road right outside. Pretty sweet. All right guys, see you next time.